Welcome to my channel. Wireless printer offline issue, quick and easy solutions. 1. Check printer power. Make sure your printer is turned on and there are no error lights showing. 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer or mobile. 3. Restart devices. Restart your printer, router, and computer to refresh the connection. 4. Set printer as default. Go to your system settings and set your printer as the default printer. 5. Disable Use Printer Offline mode. Open printer settings and uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. 6. Clear print queue. Delete all pending print jobs from the queue to avoid conflicts. 7. Reconnect printer to Wi-Fi. Go to printer settings and reconnect it to your wireless network. 8. Update printer drivers. Download and install the latest printer drivers from the official website. 9. Run troubleshooter. Use your system's built-in printer troubleshooter to detect and fix issues automatically. 10. Reinstall printer. Remove the printer from your device and add it again to refresh the setup. Thank you for watching.